Enough watching TV?
Yes, it is so bored at home in this lockdown period. The time is running slow. Suggest me some work for the time pass.
Did you finish your office work?
Yes, I finished all the work given for today.
Then read these books. You will improve your English knowledge.
Ayn Rand? Oh, all novels. To improve my English, right? Bhagavad Gita? I know you will give me Bhagavad Gita. What's this?
Solve these Rubik cubes. You will improve your memory.
Thank you.
What happened? I saw you talking in phone with someone. From that moment, you are sad.
Yes, it was my friend. She is in quarantine.
Oh,
She lost one of her family member from this corona. Her family, that is her husband, daughter, everyone in her family are in quarantine.
that's sad.
When I called her, she was very upset. She said that even she likes to die. Already one family member has gone and everyone are in quarantine. She can't serve her family, she can't work, she can't cook. All the people around her are looking in different way. This is making her feel very bad. So she wanted to die. I don't know how to motivate her. How can I convince her? She lost hope.
Look, as I told you, Sri Krishna has given solutions for all sorts of problems in Bhagavad Gita. Right now, her mindset is not stable. She's not listening to me and she don't want to talk to anyone. I know. I understand her situation. In Bhagavad Gita, in chapter number 2, shloka number 21, 23, and 24, he has told,
ॐ नमो भगवते वसुदेवाय वेदाविनाशिनं नित्यं यान्मजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थकम् घातयति हन्तिकम्.
as I told you, Bhagavad Gita is all about mind, soul, and body.
नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावका न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः.
When the soul enters the body is called birth. Likewise, when the soul exits from the body is called death. The journey of the soul from the birth to the death in the body is called life.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युर्ध्रुवम् जन्ममृतस्य च तस्माद् परिहार्यते न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
It is not your business or her business to think why he or she died. Now stop worrying about past. What? What do you mean? Losing the loved ones will not give heavy pain? Yes, the pain is heavy, but The fact is, the soul has finished its journey in that particular body.
अच्छेद्यो यम दाहयो यम केल दोषोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगता स्थाणु रचिलोऽयं सनातनः.
Soul cannot be killed by anything. Soul doesn't have any death. Fire cannot burn the soul. Water cannot kill the soul. Sword cannot cut the soul. Wind cannot pull or push the soul. Soul does not have death. Then why you or she should worry on this aspect? Everyone knew that a person who takes birth, one or the other day he has to die. Few will finish their journey earlier and few will complete their journey until they are old enough. Yes, you are right. They have just left the body. They are not far from us. They are with us. Their soul is here. Yes, only the body is gone, not the soul.
But I cannot tell her this. Practically, it is impossible. Instead, she becomes more angry on me.
I understand, but you can remind her responsibilities, telling that each and every person on the earth has their own responsibilities.
But she wants to quit this life. She never likes to live. She lost her self confidence.
As you said, the time is running. They have to complete their work in this journey. See, each and everyone should face like these problems. She has to face these problems. Living with full-fledged life with happiness and having meaningful lifetime is very important.
Happiness means what? How can we be happy? For most people, happiness means money, success. Is that you're talking about?
No, Ramya, you are wrong. Many have lost their loved ones. They couldn't save with money or whatever success they have. I have seen few pictures. Many have thrown the money on the streets because it could not save them. Keeping your mind stable, showing the right direction to the soul, and being with your soul, keeping the body healthy. What is our work on the earth? What do you think? Setting goals, working hard, and finding success? Routine will continue. Is that only the work on the earth? Is that only the responsibilities for you on the earth? Is that giving you a self happiness?
Then what is full-fledged life?
When I am closing my eyes for the last time, I should have smile on my face. I should have a satisfaction that I lived a full-fledged life. I was meaning for myself, for my life, and was meaning for others' life. If, though I am dead, the people should bless me from their bottom of their heart. That is full-fledged life. Then the soul directly will reach to the source where it was released.
Very nice. Life is very beautiful and it has to be meaningful.
Take good in and good will come out. Bless people from bottom of your heart. People also start blessing you. If you take bad in, the bad will come out, making the life wonderful or worst. It is you.
Hello. What about those people who's having mentality of spreading corona wantedly?
I will tell you in next video, that is Corona part 2. If you like, please share and subscribe.